This is Zig Zag Floral stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6 by 8 inch clear stamp set containing 20 individual stamps. Looking for something unique but with the same beloved elements of your favourite floral stamps? This stamp set has you covered. We've created a new look for layered flowers, different from anything you may have seen anywhere else. Stamp each flower or leaf with any combination of layers, including the fun zigzag elements. On their own, these fun layers can even be used to represent embroidery or stitching. We can't wait to see you experiment with this set. Zig Zag Floral is a high-quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more information and fresh inspiration using Zig Zag Floral stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.